Hey guys, my name is Frank Rivera with Mud Worx Inc. I'm the field operations manager. We specialize in public works, decorative concrete, retaining walls, pretty much anything related to concrete, and we're looking forward to serving you guys. Both Natalia and I have combined 20 years experience in this trade. She used to work at PJ's Rebar as a detailer, and I myself am a union journeyman mason. I've poured skyscrapers, streets, sidewalks, pretty much anything. You know, we're not your average contractor. We're actually hands-on, as you can see. I got my bags on, I'm helping the guys out right now. My guys, our team, we're very diverse in what we can do also. We're all operators, form setters, as well as concrete finishers. There's really no stalling on your project. Everything's in-house. We don't really subcontract anything. From demo to pour and finish, we got you covered. When it comes to executing your project, most customers are fearful of the contractor not executing it righteously, not having the right preparation before pouring. With us, we walk you through every step. We show you you're getting your 4 inches of base rock, 4 inches of concrete, your 12-inch grid on center for your rebar, and making sure you're ready to go when we're done prepping. At Mud Worx, we take pride in getting it done right the first time. So next time you're in need of a concrete contractor, give us a call.